Phifertex is a durable outdoor fabric that withstands the test of time. Water, flame, UV, and fade resistant, with microban technology, Phifertex's antimicrobial properties prevent mold, mildew, and bacteria throughout the lifetime of the fabric. This sling chair mesh is perfect for all kinds of outdoor sling furniture, sun and wind screens, tote bags, table runners, and placemats. Messes or spills can be wiped away easily with a damp cloth. The mesh is made of strong polyester yarns that are coated with PVC vinyl. This material is breathable and dries quickly, but keeps its shape and does not stretch under weight and heavy use. The Standard Solids collection is a great choice for basic applications. Perfect for tote bags, cots, field jump pits, horse masks, and sunscreens. The open weave of this material allows dirt and crumbs to pass through easily, which makes it the perfect multi-purpose fabric. With a tighter weave than its standard cousin, Phifertex Plus still offers all the same benefits but is stronger and slingable. It is built to not rip, fade, or sag for years of inclement weather and heavy use. This collection is perfect for outdoor sling chairs, umbrellas, and awnings that sit out in the heat of the summer. The Phifertex PVC wicker weaved collection is the perfect sling mesh for the more natural outdoor furniture. Made to look like wicker, rattan, or cane, these blends are great for chairs, privacy and windscreens, and cabana furniture, and are much more durable than their organic doppelgangers. The Jacquard collection is where extremely durable vinyl-coated polyester fabric meets intricate designs. Perfect for outdoor furniture, this sling chair mesh will stay looking new through years of weather, children, pets, and parties. Phifertex is practically maintenance-free, but occasionally cleaning it with a water and bleach solution will keep it looking brand new for years. When cut, Phifertex does not fray, which makes it great for projects like these no-sew placemats. Phifertex can be sewn easily with a regular sewing machine, upholstery weight thread, and a heavy needle like one for denim. A regular sewing foot or walking foot is recommended for Phifertex products. With these basic tools and your favorite Phifertex product, you can get to sewing your next project.